If your hair looks like this, dry and frizzy no matter what you do, I got you. Today I'm about to share 6 simple secrets that make hair go from dull and frizzy to smooth and shiny no matter the hair type. But before we jump into these tips, let's quickly understand why hair gets frizzy in the first place. Frizz happens when your hair loses moisture. It's that simple. Dry, wavy and curly hair is especially prone because its natural oils they have a harder time traveling down the hair shaft. That's why my hair used to get so crazy because I have wavy hair. But once I understood the causes, it was easier to fix. So, the first thing, avoid hot water. Trust me, I used to love hot water, but they were secretly drying out my wavy hair. Hot water, it strips your hair of natural oils, and this can lead to frizzy dry hair. When it's time to wash your hair, turn the temperature down slightly until the water is warm. So this often helps close your cuticles and lock in moisture, helping to get a healthy hair strands. The second habit is do a deep conditioner once a week. This one, it changed my hair completely. You know, dry frizzy hair, it just craves moisture and hydration. So a weekly rich deep conditioner treatment, it helps repair the damage. So not just your normal conditioner, but this is a deep rich conditioner. It helps to lock in moisture and also strengthen your strands from within. So about once a week, use a deep conditioner treatment. Opt for nourishing formulas with natural oil or proteins. Let it sit for 30 minutes, then rinse it out to make your hair healthy and shiny. This is especially true if you have bleached or colored your hair. Deep conditioner, it helps to restore healthy back. The third habit is apply argan oil. Argan oil is literally liquid gold for frizzy and dry hair. It instantly adds that shine and smooth flyaways, keeping your hair soft without making it greasy. So to do this, put a few drops of argan oil on the palm of your hands and gentle rub it through the ends. Too much on your scalp when it comes to oil, it can make your hair look greasy and it can also become a little bit itchy, especially if you haven't washed it in a few days. So focus on applying at the ends and watch your frizzy hair disappear. Also, a tip is always apply this as the last tip. If you have, let's say, cream, leave-in conditioner, apply oil as the last layer to lock in all the moisture. The fourth step is sleep on silky bonnet and silky pillowcases or satin. This is the underrated but a very powerful tip. I started sleeping in a satin bonnet and my hair, it stopped getting puffy and tangled overnight. And this is especially true if you have wavy or curly hair because cotton pillowcases or bonnets, they usually create a lot of friction, which can be drying. So girl, switch to a silk or satin pillowcases and bonnets. It will prevent any friction, lock in moisture, and keep your hair looking polished and frizz-free by morning. So this is the perfect beauty sleep for your strands. The fifth habit is use a lightweight mousse. You know, I used to skip mousse, but once I tried it, game changer. It kept my wavy hair bouncy and smooth without the frizz. And I don't need to keep on brushing my hair. I used to get so tired brushing my hair every time to keep it in place. But mousse, it gives definition. Also, it keeps your strands smooth for long without feeling crunchy or heavy. So to do this, apply it evenly, then scrunch or style as desired. The result, soft, voluminous waves with a smooth, polished finish. It's quite affordable too. The sixth habit is use a frizz-free hairspray. Okay, this is my final step for perfect hair days. Light mist of frizz-free hairspray all over, it adds shine, control flyaways, and keep your hair sleek throughout the day, even in humid weather, while maintaining a natural touchable finish. You see those girls that you see on TikTok with a perfect glass hair? They never skip spraying their hair with a hairspray. Just a light mist is enough to seal your style without making a hair stiff or sticky, and it's going to create a frizz-free finish. Also, keep your hands to yourself. As tempting as it is, running your hands through your hair may feel a bit natural, but it disturbs the hair cuticles and increases frizz, also disturbs your style. So try to let your hair be. The less you touch, the smoother and shiner it stays. And that's it. 6 simple steps to instantly tame frizzy dry hair. I have personally tried all of this with my wavy hair and they make such a huge difference. Try them out and let me know in the comment section which one was your favorite.